Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be making, this is one of my recipes, it's leftover casserole. Basically what it is leftovers that I will throw in to a casserole. And casseroles are pretty simple. They consist of a meat, a vegetable, a starch, some sauce, and some cheese. So that's pretty much what we're going to be adding. Now in my fridge today I had leftover, it's a German dish I made, pork and sauerkraut with potatoes. So I have some leftover. I have about 2 cups of meat, I have 2 cups of the sauerkraut and potatoes. So I want to add a little bit more cabbage to it. So I cut up a small, medium head of cabbage, which we're going to be sauteing in the pot, along with some onion. Have 2 small onions that I sliced up and about 4 large cloves of garlic, which this is optional. I love adding garlic to everything. And once we get that started, I want to add in some corn, and then I have cream of mushroom soup and cream of chicken soup, and then we're going to add some water. And I also have, which gives a great flavor, is a can of Alfredo sauce. And I already cooked up, I have a bag of egg noodles. These I get at the dollar store. These are great for casseroles because it's not a pound of noodles. It's only 12 ounces in here, which is perfect for a casserole. And then I also have some mozzarella that I'm going to be mixing in and also topping with. So let's get everything together and let's get started. Alright, so now I changed the pot because the other one looked a little too small considering all the ingredients I have. So now my oil is hot, so I'm adding in my onion. And we just want to break that apart. I just cut the onion in half and I just made slices. It'll blend in with the cabbage. But this recipe is great. I also, instead of pork, I also use chicken. I have leftover chicken, or sometimes even if I just want to make a casserole, I have canned chicken that I like to use. I also use kielbasa, smoked sausages, are great with cabbage. Again, you can also use broccoli. I mean, any vegetable as you want. Instead of noodles, you can do rice or potato. Okay, so I'm going to add the garlic. Just keep cooking till it's translucent. We want to add flavors, layering of flavors. That's cooking up nicely, and now we're going to add the cabbage. It looks like a lot, but this cabbage always wilts down to absolutely nothing. So 1 medium head is perfect. Give this a little turn so the onions don't burn underneath. Then we're just going to steam this. We'll throw the lid on. And we'll come back when that's all wilted down. So now the cabbage shrunk down. So now we're ready to add everything else. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add the leftovers. Spoon. Actually, let's add our soups first and get them nice and incorporated. Then we're going to put a can of water. Just one can's fine. And I also have the can of Alfredo sauce, which is optional. I think it gives it great flavor. And then we can go ahead and add our corn. This is one can with the liquid. Stir all this up. Okay, now we could go ahead and add our noodles. It's the 12-ounce bag. That's the oven. It's preheated. I have it at 375. We're going to put it in for about 45 minutes. All right, so now we're going to add the leftovers, which is the pork and the sauerkraut and potatoes. Now we're just going to get everything incorporated. Now just shut the heat off, and we'll get our pan. Okay, here's our casserole dish. I like to just put a little olive oil on the bottom. Okay, and right before we add it to the casserole dish, we're just going to mix in some mozzarella. Any cheese that you have is fine. Save a little bit for the top. Okay, quickly mix that in. Okay, now let's carefully get this into the casserole. So we're going to flatten this out. Add a little cheese to the top. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes and then I'll show you how it comes out. And here's the leftover casserole right out of the oven. 45 minutes later. Little golden brown on top, bubbly on the bottom. Pork and cabbage casserole. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you play along and discover what other casseroles you can make. You can put any leftovers in them. It turns it into a fabulous new dinner. So try it out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.